Good night. My name is Karen Garzon. I am 26 years old. I was born on March 13 in Bogotá, Colombia. I'm from Colombia. I live in Socorro, Santander. I am a student. I study zootechnics. I study zootechnics and studying the third semester. I live with my husband, my children, 2 cats, and 1 friend. I like listening to music, photography, reading a book, cooking, animal, nature. I don't like playing video games, watching TV, biking, fishing, playing soccer, a bit problematic. My last trip was 3 years ago. I was in Medellin, located in the department Antioquia. I was visiting my brother. I went with my daughter Luciana, who was 1 year old. The weather was sunny most of the time, even though some days they were complicated for being such a little girl, but that time I was going to my brother's house which made me feel comfortable. I went 20 days. I could see some touristic places such as the Botero statue, some nearby villages such as Envigado and Sabanera, and some shopping centers. We usually go for a walk or to see some place about 2 times a week. My next trip, I will like to go and take my daughter to know the sea. This year I would like to Coveñas. It's located in the department of Sucre in the north of the country. The climate is hot dry, with a temperature of approximately 27 degrees. I will take a walk on the beach, go diving, visit Ciénaga La Caimanera, and taste the gastronomy. I am going on vacation in 5 months. I will call the travel agency. Thanks. Bye.